Click on the link below to get price. The RFC600 500-foot spool of 600 grade ultra-low-loss coaxial cable is an impressive addition to any cable installation project, whether for home entertainment systems, networking, or satellite applications. This Coax cable stands out for its combination of quality, performance, and value, making it a solid choice for both professional installers and DIY enthusiasts alike. One of the most notable features of the RFC600 is its ultra-low-loss design. Unlike standard Coax cables, which can degrade signal quality over longer distances, this cable minimizes signal loss, ensuring that you receive a strong, clear signal even at 500 feet. This makes it particularly valuable for long runs, such as those required in larger properties or commercial setups. The cable is designed to support high-frequency signals, making it suitable for HD video, satellite, and broadband applications. The build quality is another significant aspect. The RFC600 boasts a robust outer jacket that enhances durability and protects the inner conductor from external elements. This is especially beneficial if the cable is used outdoors or in challenging environments. Additionally, the cable features a solid copper center conductor, which contributes to superior conductivity and performance compared to many competitor products that use inferior materials. Ease of installation is also a key advantage. The cable is flexible enough to maneuver around corners and obstacles, yet sturdy enough to maintain its shape during installation. The 500-foot spool offers ample length for multiple projects, reducing the need for splicing and ensuring a tidy setup. However, one potential drawback is the weight of the spool, which can make it cumbersome to handle without assistance. It may require careful management during installation to avoid kinks or damage. Overall, the RFC600 500-foot spool of ultra-low-loss Coax cable is a commendable choice for anyone seeking reliable performance and durability at a competitive price. Its excellent signal retention and solid construction make it a worthy investment for various applications.